So here we are. Just to let you know, like with this gets locked into place. It's not turned on or anything. You push it in, it'll get to the pilot, and then it's stuck. And then you'll push it in, and you can push it in to go all the way around. But it'll also, if you just push it a little bit, it'll lock at every stage. So when you go to screw in the piece here, it actually screws in counterclockwise, which might seem counterintuitive. And of course it's not being used, so I had it off. Turn it on. Come here, push it in to pilot. Hold this down, click this. Now I hold this button down for a few more seconds so it doesn't go out. And so when you go to push it in, it goes to 1. And you can see it's locked. And push it in to turn it to 2. Push it in to turn it to 3. Or you can push it in and hold it down. And of course, when you're done, pilot, push down to off. You might want to keep your pilot on, but for my own safety purposes, I will always keep the pilot off because I will always come back down here to crank this off. It really emits a lot of heat. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. Anyways, that's it.